Today I'm going to make something yummy. Guess what? It's chocolate fudge brownie. Let's start making it now. These are the ingredients which we need. Melted butter, white sugar, brown sugar, oil, egg, vanilla essence, cocoa powder, flour and chocolate pieces or chocolate chips. Start making. Now I'm going to pour the melted butter. It's hot. Be careful, guys. Now let's add the white sugar. Now let's add the brown sugar. Here's the brown sugar. Now let's pour the oil too. Now let's whisk. But before we whisk, please don't use the electric blender or else it won't come well. So let's start mixing. Now let's put the eggs and the vanilla essence. After let's start stirring again. Now let's pour the vanilla essence. Now let's stir it again. My hand is already hurting. Add the flour and the cocoa powder. Sprinkle, sprinkle, la, 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 la. Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. Cocoa powder. Oh. Now let's fold it. Now I'm folding, guys. Fun folding. The brownie batter is ready. Wow! Now finally, let's add the chocolate chips. Chocolate. Before that, shh. Fold it. Fold it. Use baking paper for the tray. My mother will help me to pour in the baking tray. Okay, now let's bake it. 40 minutes, 180 Celsius. 40 minutes, let's bake it. Enjoy this video. Thank you. Please subscribe, press the notification bell so you guys can like this video. Bye. Bye. Oh, she's saying bye. Does it bye? Say bye. Thank you. And try these brownies. It's so tasty.